Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose Edet, and if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. Today I want to carry you guys along. It's going to be a long vlog, right? So let me tell you the gist. Are you ready? Are you ready? Should I tell you? Should I tell you? Guys, it's my birthday. Today I'm making this vlog. It's actually a Friday, and in 3 days time, which is going to be Monday, is going to be my birthday. So now I want to carry you guys along this journey, my birthday journey. I'm going to make a vlog from today till my birthday. So like this morning, I just woke up. I'm starting this video already. This morning I have a nail appointment, so I just woke up. I will soon go shower, get ready to go make my nails, my birthday nails. Actually, you should know, right? So that's for today. Tomorrow I'll go make my hair, my birthday hair. Yay! Nothing much. I just want to look good. It cannot be my birthday and I'll be looking all dull and all that, keeping one old hair, carrying one old nails, or perhaps I've not even made nails, I've not fixed my nails. So I just want to look good, glam up. I'll go make my nails, go make my hair. Then on the D-Day, I'm not doing a birthday party and all that, but I just want to look good. Maybe on that day I could just go out, eat dinner outside. That day I don't want to stress myself cooking too much. I'll just take myself out, eat, take pictures, reply messages, receive calls. That's just it, literally. But I still want to look good that day. So I'll be carrying you guys throughout the journey. Let me just rush and go and shower so that we'll continue this vlog, guys. Yes, so I'm on the road currently going for my nurse appointment. It's my birthday. Baby girl needs to look good, needs to be on point. So let's continue, guys. I'm on Lagos road now. There's no how you go out without facing this traffic. So I was just stuck here. While in the traffic, baby girl needs to do something to keep herself going. So I started hyping to some songs, enjoying myself. If you just sit down like that idle, depression for traffic alone is something else. I was just vibing to one of my favorite songs, Bounce. It was fun though. I was just enjoying myself, replying DMs, singing along, and that was how I was whiling away time in the traffic. Hopefully it won't take long for us to continue this journey. So finally the road was free. I continued the journey. We are moving now. I'm going to my nail store at Lekki. So it's Scotch Mall. It's actually a new location for my nail artist. Since he moved to this new space. I've not visited here. I've not visited this space. So getting here, wow, I was so wow. The place is very. Meet my nail stylist there. The place is so beautiful and the space is so clean. I love everything about this new space. And here I am. Baby girl cannot see me raw and will not want to do something. So finally, this is how my nails was before he started work. So now he has cleaned up my own nail paint, and this is how my nail looks like. The fixing has started, right? That's the reason we are here today. So I stood up. I had to shake body small for you guys after I started. Actually, I went to wash my hands. So coming back to the seat, this is what I was doing. Don't mind me, guys. So he's playing around with some fruits colors, and he has started the work, guys. My stylist is the best. Like, he's so good with what he does. And finally, here it is, my wonderful nails. I just needed something natural. I didn't show him anything. I didn't show him pictures. I just told him, guy, I need something natural, classic, beautiful, and he gave me exactly what I wanted. How do you guys see these nails? Is it nice? If it's not nice, tell me. I will not kill anybody, but me, I love my nails. I love my birthday nails. So at the end of the day, that was how my nail went, and The next day, here I am. I was already late for this appointment, so I did not start from the house to tell you guys I was leaving the house. But here I am at the hair salon. I already started making my hair. It wasn't long. My hair was ready. See, I'm glowing already. Oh shit! See, I'm glowing already. My hair is done. I really like my hair, the length, the color, everything was just perfect. You know, this latest trending jungle braid. That was what I did. So my hair is ready. This is me getting glam up. Nails on fleek, hair on fleek, skin on fleek. What else? I'm just happy, guys. My hair is ready. I'm just here trying to admire my hair. It was a good one, guys. You've not even seen the picture clearly because there is no light. It was already dark by the time my hair was done. It was around 7 or so. Everywhere is dark. No light. I love my hair. It was really beautiful, guys. So the next day, my birthday is here. Oh shit, see baby girl now. I'm showing you skin. Just look at my whole outfit. I didn't have much time to take picture, but I want to show you guys my outfit. You must always have that black dress somewhere, so I just brought it out and I slay. My baby girl needs to slay. While waiting for my food, finally my food arrived. That was my dinner. I just stepped out to eat dinner. I went to one of my girlfriends, so after eating, I had to have some champagne, just a little, to clear the eyes, you know. So here I am sipping to my drink, right? Okay, that's how literally my evening went. I just stepped out to eat out. See me now, I'm shaking my ass. I must shake that ass, right? It's just left for me to go on here to shake it, you know. So guys, I went out to have dinner with my friends. I thought that was the end of it for the day. Just with my girlfriend. Getting home, some of my guys have already I must do something, I must come out. So I said, okay, I was already sleeping. I just carried a shirt, put on, and I stepped out. This was how it went again. The second outing for the evening, just going with some shots, some drinks, having fun with few friends, just very few friends, hyping to songs, nothing much. That was literally how my day went. I really had fun. Like a kind of surprise, but I didn't plan for it. Friends just called me out, and I later went out. After I went out with my friend, I was just here vibing to song, having good time with friends. So that's literally how my birthday went, and I really enjoyed myself. I had fun. Gifts came in, text messages. The love was massive, guys, massive, and I appreciate and I thank God for life. That's Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. Good morning. See, I've lost my voice already. I just woke up now, after the party last night. I got home, I slept immediately. I'm my voice is gone. I feel exhausted, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy for for life. First of all, for being able to pass through my last year successfully in good health. I literally last year I've not been to the hospital apart from when I was going to work to before I go to my I resume work. I need to go for a medical examination. Apart from that, I've not been to the hospital. I've not been sick, just minor headache or stress or just that. And after taking paracetamol or any painkiller, I'm feeling all right. I thank God for life. I've not been to the hospital. I'm not I'm so grateful for life. Literally, God have seen me through last year, and I'm seeing a new year. And last night or yesterday, being my birthday, was a blast. I had fun. I got gifts, messages. I got calls from friends. People that I've not even talking, I was not talking to for a very long time. I got to reach them during my birthday. I was really happy. Guys, my past two birthdays I've been at sea because I'm always at work at those times, so I'm always celebrating at sea. So it's like for about this like 3 years now, for me celebrating it on land and with being around friends, people that I've known for years. Being around them is really fun. I'm not saying my two other past birthday has not been fun. It's really with my colleagues at works, and there is difference. Actually there's a different feelings, and sometimes my birthday will happen on a working day. I won't even apart from people telling me happy birthday, happy birthday, I will not even have time to like get together and sit down and have fun like yesterday I did. So I feel really happy. I feel really good celebrating my birthday on land with friends, with loved ones. I got a lot of gifts. Like, I really thank God for everybody, for everything. And thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate. I started this YouTube channel just last year. My last year that just passed, like a few months back, and the support I got from you guys is amazing. So it's one of the things I'm grateful for the YouTube channel, and having you guys always by my side to encourage me. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm already tired, but I had fun last night. I'm happy. That's why I'm sounding like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like my video, share my video to your friends, your brothers, your anybody you know at all. Please share my video, and please let's learn to comment. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video, guys.